For you to be successful in search engine optimization business, you need to do the following. Number one, gain knowledge about the function and principle of search engine optimization. So this, we recommend that you go through a special course on it. Also, use search engine tools by yourself so that you can get more idea of how it works. Start attracting potential customers and you can do subcontracting. Number two is writing business. For you to write, you can actually be a successful copywriter if you have good writing skill. The main job of a copyright is to use words to sell products, and usually that person should write for websites that should attract customers and clients. So we have people that write on other people's pages, like on their websites, on their Twitter handle. So and what they write actually attracts a lot of clients. It might actually take long to master these skills, but a talented and flexible copywriter is very likely to succeed. Number three is social media marketing. Who doesn't use social media these days? No wonder social media marketing has become very lucrative. Today, the world of social media is rapidly evolving in Nigeria. Even when the president of the country wants to say something, the first place you get it is on his Twitter handle. You understand? So many business experts who claim to be qualified professional have made mistake in the field of social media without looking at them again and the impact of this brand. Obviously, those of us that are trying to come up these days, if you look at successful businesses and deepen their experience, then you can also develop your own strategy of doing this social media marketing. So for you to be successful, try and get the knowledge of how it works. Then you develop more ideas for your own business, how you are going to go through your own. You start attracting larger customer bases. Number four is blogs. A very profitable business in Nigeria today that is modern and very, very lucrative online is blogging. It's actually a part-time job. You might have other jobs and you still do it, which means that you don't need to blog all day. Plus, you can make money you can just simply express your view. All you need to do to be successful in this as well is to choose a topic you like or you enjoy or you speak about frequently. Then create your own personal blog, create traffic. Always make sure the latest thing on that particular topic is on your blog. Before you know it, you are making serious money. Number five is website design business. This business is another business that generates significant income for people in Nigeria. Anyone can learn the basic of website designing and start making money. However, you will not be able to start your own web design business easily. This job requires a lot of ambition, perseverance, zeal, and in addition, you have to make some important decisions on your own which can affect the success of your business. So if you are not afraid of problems because it can have its own challenges, then you are good to go. All you need to do is to acquire web design skills through online courses or self-development. Then you create a budget for you to foot, establish your own brand, create a portfolio. You are good to go. Number six is email marketing business. This particular lucrative business has become popular in recent years among people. Today, large companies help smaller companies to connect customers, to promote different services and products. So to make it a full-time career, you need to learn how to create content for email distribution. If you get up to your mail these days, you see some mails are even called spam mail. They keep advertising smaller companies to you. So this is what you to do. You have to acquire online marketing skill, maybe through training or some educational videos. Also, you plan your own business plan. Make your own business plan and write it down. Make decision about the service you want to work with. Look at your competitors and learn from them. Look at their successes and look at their failure. You buy special software for online marketing. Determine your own price, create your own website, and you are good to go. Quickly, number 7 is content marketing business. I think I need to make an explanation on this. You need to know also that content marketing professional dominates the digital markets. We have talked about search engine optimization, social media marketing, email companies. All this can actually be combined. Content marketing is very flexible and it combines a whole lot of other fields. So this type of marketing is done by sharing online materials that may not be directly intending to promote a particular brand or company, but it is used to stimulate interest in services and production. You see a lot of people talking about, oh, electricity bill, we need electricity, options to electricity, and so on and so forth. So once people know that yes, you have a content, they go there. Your content might not be directly attached to promoting a particular brand or company, but at least better, good information, good content can be gotten from whatever you put up. So how do you get this? Number one is that you have to acquire important marketing skill. Again, set up your own business plan and determine the services you intend to provide. Look at your competitor, as we have told you before. Set up a website for yourself. Develop a perfect marketing and sales strategy. Conduct regular customer survey. Look at what people want. They will always give you a feedback, and make sure you act on these feedbacks. Number 8 is digital marketing agency. These agencies focus primarily on marketing in the digital world. Digital marketing is everything today. It, however, requires a lot of effort and consistency. For you to be a specialist on this field, let me also mention you go through about the same process, because there are so many people in the digital marketing industry who do not even have enough skill or experience. They just do it the way they like, and you can actually do it better. So create a smart business plan, get an email address that you use for professional matters, and so on and so forth. Develop your own website, conduct regular survey, get feedback from your customer, and then look for quality products, and then you are good to go. Lastly, that I'm going to mention today, so that I don't waste too much of your time, is what we call affiliate marketing companies. If you are involved in this type of marketing, then you are good to go to make a whole lot of money day in, day out.